Model, 65-plate Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI low roof fridge van needs prop shaft excellent runner grin. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 302,186. MOT, the 24th of September 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, goes into all gears and gearbox spins perfectly, just needs prop shaft replacing as this is broken, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call